Hello, this is Keith Hall, and today's tutorial will be on how you can create an image with a transparent background using the Builderall Tools. So what I have here currently on this web page here is I created this image, the actual computer screen. I'll show you how I can get to that in the design studio. But anyways, I inserted this screen print of a web page, put it on this computer, and then made this a transparent image. So let's see how we could replicate this. Let's go over to the Tools section, and if you click on Design here, you'll have Design Studio and then Photo Studio. We're first going to use the Design Studio and then make and once we create the image here, we need to use the Photo Studio to create the transparent background. So let's go to Design Studio. Give it a few seconds to load up. So as you can see, we have many different options to choose from. So I'm going to use this particular one here. And then let's scroll down. Our first step is we need to upload the media. So if I go here, let's see, let me scroll down here. It's this one. Click open. And then what you want to do is, if the size of the image was not the recommended size to put in here, then you'll just have to adjust it. So for right now, I'm just going to adjust this image so it falls within these square red borders. So I'm going to move the image around, just left click on it and square it up. Okay, that's all you have to do. And if you scroll down, I'm not going to use any of these options here because this has to do with adding text to your image and so forth. So I'm going to come down here, click done. Give it a few seconds. Okay, we're at the next screen. Now all I have to do is click on See Results. And there you have it. And that's how you can put an image that you have inside this other image to make it look like this is what's actually on the screen of the computer right here. So our next step is to download this image, and you could select any size here. I'm just going to select this size. Click download. Give it a few seconds. Okay, it's done downloading. Now the next step is to go to the Photo Studio. Okay, now we're going to go to the Photo Studio, and all you have to do is click on Photo Studio here on the left. And what we want to do is I already created a folder, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to add the second file here. Click that, choose Files, and then I'm going to choose this one, click Open, click Add. Give it a few seconds to load up. It says the file was added. I'm going to click OK. And now I'm going to edit this one. So there's two options down here, Edit and Delete. I'm going to click on Edit. Okay, so another the way to make the background here transparent, we have to click on the tab over here called Background. And now all you have to do is click on the area that you want transparent. So I'm going to click in this green area and give it a few seconds to transform it. And there you go. Now you have a transparent background. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on Save. It says changes were saved. Now you can click on this Embed button here and you have a number of different options. You can use the image URL or the HTML tag to put into your website using the Builderall platform, or if you have another platform, just go into the body of your HTML file and insert this HTML code. The direct URL is just going to open up a new tab, which I'll do right now. And then this last one is more of an advanced option that you can embed into your website. So when you hover over it, it'll make it look like you're zooming in on a picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over here, right click, Save Image As, and I'm going to save it. Okay, it's been saved. I can close out of this. And let's go back to our HTML editor, and I'll show you how to add it here. So basically this blue background is just a banner element that I added by clicking on the plus sign and selecting my banner. And what I'm going to do is I want to add an image here. So I go over here, add the plus sign, click on Image, select Image, come over here. Now you want to right click on this image element, and I'm going to click on Change Image. I'm going to upload the image, and it was this file here. Click Open. Give it a few seconds to process. It's compressing the file now. Okay, now it's ready. So all I have to do is now select this. Make sure you have the check mark here that it's selected. Come down here and click on Confirm. And there you have it. Now you have that transparent image on your web page. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you today. Please stop by often because I do more tutorials on using the Builderall platform. And subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification so you always get updated when I upload a new video. Again, I want to thank you for stopping by and support my channel. I appreciate you and have a great day.